What's up, guys?
What's up?
Sabrina here.
Alexander here.
We're both
Release.
Today, we are going to do a challenge for you guys because we are back. We are back in business.
We are back in business, baby.
Back in business. So, best way to start out is with a challenge. We are going to do the fart sound challenge. I think it's called like that. The challenge was by Hannah Hart, May Marie Hart, and Grace Helbig. So that's what we're gonna be doing. But we have a little twist on it.
Okay, instead of alcohol, we're using pineapple juice and
Some
that.
blueberry
I don't
powder.
know what that is,
I have
but
no idea what it is.
yeah, it's disgusting though.
It tastes nasty. That's the point. So we're not gonna be using alcohol
Cause we don't have alcohol.
exactly we don't have. We do have the age,
Yeah.
just don't have it. So we're gonna use these shot glasses. Got my laptop here to the right, and we're gonna be putting some sounds on for you guys. One thing we forgot to say.
Just
Rewind. The point of this challenge is that with each voice, with each audio, we cannot laugh. If we laugh, we take the shot.
Yeah.
So,
So yeah, let's do this.
okay. 1, 2, 3.
Okay, you can stop now.
Take a shot. Completely.
But ew, that's disgusting. Okay, take
I
my.
think we should do half of that. Like drink half of it.
No.
No. Oh, you want to do it completely? Fine.
Okay.
Chug, 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 chug.
That's not good. No.
Not good? Not good?
No.
Oh, I'm having fun with this.
Ugh. That's disgusting.
Okay, okay.
Number 2. Number 2.
Do that. I'm not gonna do it. Okay. Shut. Shut.
Oh, you have to wait.
Oh my god, I'm so glad I haven't laughed yet.
Ah.
It just smells nasty. If you guys can smell it, it smells
And
nasty.
it tastes nasty too.
Okay.
So
That one was
that's
called
disgusting.
Breaking Wind, Wetting Yourself.
What?
I don't know. The name of this one is Fart Quick, Wet Splatter. Let's see.
Okay. Finally, it's
Okay.
your turn.
Stop.
Okay, so finally, here you go.
Oh my god. Can't stop laughing. Okay, okay.
Do it!
Do it, man! Do it!
It's yum, isn't it?
Oh my god. It's right here.
Let's continue, please.
Oh. What is that? Is it sniffing or something? we both have to take.
Yeah.
Cheers. To the farts. It doesn't fit all in my mouth. That's what she said.
It does not get better.
I think if I had to take another one, I am gonna throw up. This one's called, oh my god, raspberry short fart. Just
Okay.
imagine that. Just imagine that. I'm just putting that out there. Let's go. Was that while you're bathing? Is it bloop?
Okay, the last one.
That's
Thank
one,
God.
guys. To you guys and your farts. Salud.
Even though they're really weird.
And some of them shat themselves.
But to you.
To you. Let's go. Salud.
Well,
No, I think every single time it just gets worse.
for you, not for me.
I just feel it right
I
here.
actually like that one, the last one.
I'm here trying to hold it in. Like, I'm serious. If not, I would have thrown up already.
Mm.
You shot yourself, baby. Shit yourself, baby.
Wait.
Shit yourself, baby, baby. Shut yourself, baby, 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 baby. I can't do that.
I
Shut
actually...
yourself, little baby. Shut yourself, little baby. Wait. I got nothing. I got nothing. Okay. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Thank you. We'll see you guys next week. We are going to try to do a video every single week. Plus our vlogs that they'll be random so you'll not know when it's going to be up. But if you follow me on Twitter, he doesn't have one. If you follow me on Twitter,
actually
I
do.
will. You do?
Yeah.
Okay, if you follow both of us on Twitter, we are going to be posting whenever we put up a new vlog. So they'll you know if you follow us. So go follow us.
On Instagram.
And on Instagram, yeah, we're going to be posting also, I guess, notifications or something.
No. I just want followers.
Anyway, guys, go subscribe, like the video, share it, comment, follow us. Go do that now.
Bye.
Stay classy.